Pero spokesman, I wanted to do like a thought exercise with you.
Sige lang.
One of the okay, one thing is the weight of the articles of impeachment is nandun na. Pero the question is, yung support is another problem. And one of the problems that some of the congressmen were saying na talagang staunch supporters no articles of impeachment last year with for the vice president was they were saying yung nagpasa nung articles of impeachment was the 19th Congress. And some or most of them na nagpasa noon nitong bagong 20th Congress are different representative na. They have a different focus. And third, and this is what they said, they felt that the president does not have the messaging and also wala pang napapakitang resulta ang presidente sa flood control project. And one of the issues that they also have is natatakot sila na baka mapasama sila doon sa kakasuhan. So instead of them na mapasama sa kakasuhan, wag na lang natin i-pursue yung impeachment para ma-save nila yung sarili nila dun sa issue na yan. What do you think about this?
That is a self-serving move. That is the work of a coward. It is not the work of a real public servant. Hayaan yung matusta, grabe garapal talaga. And I don't approve of this because if you really are resolute in having Sarah impeached, no matter how unpopular you may come across sa inyong mga fellow representatives, gawin nyo. If you're truly principled, if you truly have the willpower and the political will to to have Sarah uh, uh, to have Sarah impeached, for her to be held accountable, gawin. Bakit? Anong kinalaman nitong itong kakulangan ng resulta sa flood control? Remember, ang flood control investigation hindi minamadali. Hindi to parang Lucky Me na in 3 minutes ready na. Hindi ganoon. May due process, and you representative nito, you're implying that President Marcos is incompetent and dilly-dallying. Hindi totoo 'yan. Sinusunod ng pangulo.
Pero pero spokesman, I wanna stop you with that. Ang ganda ng sinabi mo.
Sige
He's
lang.
not dilly-dallying. My question to you is this, we all need to
Go
be
ahead.
honest. He and the ombudsman promised something that he did not deliver last year. Can
Okay.
you agree that that is one of the things na sabihin na natin politically miscalculated?
Politically what? Pardon? Excuse me?
Politically miscalculated.
Miscalculating. Okay. Sana lang sinabi ng ombudsman at ng pangulo na instead of setting a timeline, a definite timeline na hindi naman masusunod, sana we're going through the process of investigating the flood control scam, and we will determine who must be actually held accountable. Edi edi mas okay 'yon kasi we should not be letting people down by way of delaying yung hearing. Okay, sige, nagka-break. Kaya lang, kapag naituloy na yung hearing, dapat tuloy-tuloy na ito. Dapat walang scandal is a very serious issue. And it has taken so many lives. It warrants, it warrants immediate resolution. Kaya lang, syempre, with our justice system, kailangan talaga mareforma talaga yung DOJ. Mareforma yung mga paraan how to investigate these flood control scams, and we should also employ technology in order to fast track yung investigation. Okay, nagkulang ang ating pangulo, sige, to be realistic. But mas mabuti na rin ang may ginagawa at nagkaroon ng konting pagkakamali kaysa na